during study hall. Time for a little getaway.
What do you think Professor's doing? Shh, we're gonna get in trouble. I almost had that one. Oh, wait, we didn't even finish the game. From now on, you're studying all day after school until you get an A. No excuses. Oh, it's no use. Wow, look at this, Lily. What? Ooh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Let's fill the forest.
Let's see. Yeah, don't bring my giant teddy bear. Hey!
We don't need this. My plan. Just look at this.
We should each decorate our own side.
We can use these as walls.
I got double-sided tape. We should decorate.
Yeah.
Ooh, I need Crafty Cat and my teddy bear.
Ooh.
I got my stuff. Me too.
Let's decorate.
Yeah. I need more decoration.
I know. Follow me.
Ooh. Ah!
So many decorations. How are we gonna take them?
Let me think.
Maybe we could. My groceries. I thought I had more stuff. I think we need some entertainment. Ready?
1, 2, 3. There we go.
Oh yeah, look at mine.
We still need one more thing.
Let's watch TV.
Ooh, my favorite show.